What happens when the cold precision of artificial intelligence collides with the warm fluidity of poetry and creative writing? Does it spark a revolutionary transformation, or does it merely mimic human creativity? This video takes a deep dive into these questions and more. In one corner, we have traditional poetry and creative writing, a centuries-old practice that has evolved and adapted with the changing times. It's a field steeped in human emotion, experience, and creativity. A world where words dance off the page, painting vivid pictures and evoking strong emotions. It's a realm where poets and writers bare their souls, often using their craft as a tool for self-expression, to challenge societal norms, or to simply revel in the beauty of language. In the other corner, we have AI-generated poetry and creative writing. A relatively new player in the game, AI brings with it a different set of skills. It's fast, efficient, and can churn out pieces in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It can analyze vast quantities of data, learning and adapting its style based on what it's fed. And perhaps most intriguingly, it brings a level of objectivity and consistency that's hard to achieve with human writers. But can AI truly create? Well, that's where the debate heats up. Some argue that AI, despite its impressive capabilities, can only mimic human creativity. It can replicate styles and patterns, but it lacks the emotional depth and personal experience that breathes life into a piece of writing. It's like a skilled parrot, repeating words it's learned without truly understanding their meaning. On the other hand, there are those who believe that AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of poetry and creative writing. They point to instances where AI-generated pieces have fooled experts and suggest that with further development, AI could not only match human creativity, but perhaps even surpass it. There's also the consideration of accessibility. AI makes it possible for anyone to create a piece of poetry or a story. It levels the playing field, allowing those who may not have the skill or confidence to write to express themselves through words. So, where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that AI has made a significant impact on the field of poetry and creative writing. It's challenged our notions of creativity and forced us to question what it truly means to create. Whether it's a mere mimic or a revolutionary tool, only time will tell. To summarize, we've explored the role of AI in poetry and creative writing. We've delved into the capabilities of AI, from its efficiency to its objectivity. We've touched on the debate surrounding AI's ability to truly create, and we've considered the implications of AI on accessibility within the field. As we stand on the precipice of a new year, let us remember that whether penned by a human or generated by a machine, the power of words remains undiminished. After all, in the grand scheme of things, it's not who or what writes the words that matter, but the impact they have on those who read them. And that, dear listeners, is a thought worth pondering.